On June 20th, 2019, a team of more than 100 wildland firefighters and scientists lit a 2,000-acre fire in Utah's Fish Lake National Forest at Manning Creek. The fire was one of the largest fully instrumented stand replacement prescribed burns, hosted by the Richfield Ranger District, being conducted as part of their Aspen Restoration Project.
This is part of a very large project that's multi-agency and multi-organizational, and the objective is to collect a suite of data that is going to be used to both evaluate and advance our fire and smoke models.
The fire was part of a planned multi-year project known as the Fire and Smoke Model Evaluation Experiment, or FASMEE for short. FASMEE aims to provide scientists, firefighters, and land managers with critical new data and models to better understand and predict wildfires and smoke emissions. Important knowledge as communities around the country prepare for a hotter, drier future. These models help researchers better understand how extreme fires behave, and they provide vital information for incident response and decision-making during an active fire. FASMEE addresses 4 important areas where information and data are currently lacking. A project burn starts with fuels on the ground. Information is collected before the burn on the types of fuel that the fire will consume, which is critical for researchers to make predictions about the fire's behavior. Using weather towers along with radar and LiDAR instrumentation surrounding the fire and special cameras placed directly in the path of the fire, researchers track fire behavior and the smoke plume in real time, gaining critical data on how fast the fire is spreading, how hot it is burning, and how much fuel it is consuming. As the fire grows and the smoke plume begins to rise, unmanned aircraft are deployed directly into and above the plume to collect air samples and data about the smoke. Satellite imagery and manned aircraft measurements collect more information about the smoke, including what chemicals it's carrying, where it's going, and how it will impact downwind communities. After the fire, researchers closely track forest regeneration and return to the site to monitor ecosystem recovery and forest health. FASMEE's first test burn has produced the beginning of a comprehensive database of fuels consumption, fire and smoke behavior, smoke chemistry, and post-fire forest regeneration. Going forward, with more highly measured burns, FASMEE aims to significantly advance the operational fire models in use today, as well as the next generation of models expected to come online in the next 5 to 10 years.